pride of St. Mary's College of Baliwag Incorporated, the best and the brightest. Let us welcome the top awardees for excellence in grade 6.
Gold medalist, Coril Miles V. Hechanova.
Academic Excellence Award Gold Medalist, Coril Miles V. Hechanova. Other awards with high honors: Conduct Merit, Best Intra-Curricular Gold, Musical Intelligence, Body Kinesthetic Intelligence, Student Council Service, Marketing and Promotion Service, Best in Christian Living, Best in EPP, Most Punctual, Perfect Attendance, Athlete of the Year, Mother Ignatia Excellence Award, Liturgical Alliance Service Award, Community Service in Parish, Lugong Baliwag, Pusong Baliwag Academic Excellence Award, Basic Prisa Champion Swimming, City League Champion Swimming, and Taraa Winnings, 500-meter freestyle gold, 200-meter freestyle gold, 100-meter freestyle gold, 100-meter backstroke gold, 50-meter backstroke silver, 4x50-meter medley relay silver, and top 2 palarong pambansa qualifier. Other honest meetings: Philippine Aquatics Incorporated Leg 1 Rizal Memorial Complex gold in freestyle and backstroke. Ignite New Year's Blast Off in New Clark City, Tarlac, gold in backstroke, butterfly, and freestyle. Most outstanding swimmer: the Gladiators in New Clark City, Tarlac, gold in freestyle, backstroke, and butterfly. And Speedo International Invitational Championship in New Clark City, Tarlac, gold in 100-meter freestyle. Silver medalist: Raya Selena Eric De Leon. Other awards with high honors: Most Punctual, and Basic Prisa Champion in Badminton. Bronze medalist: Isabel Ann D. De Lara.